What is up, YouTube? Today we are here with Clockwork Bass.
What's up, guys?
Jeff, the trap master.
Yeah.
We're over here at a local lake here in Illinois, and we're gonna try to see what we can do. We're gonna try to throw some traps with the trap master, see if we can get one.
We're definitely gonna get some. Goal is to get you one at least on a trap.
There we go, and that sounds great. So let's get to it.
Above the grass with a higher gear ratio, better than you can with a lower gear ratio. And another thing is like when you get really into the trap fishing game.
There's one.
And that's what I'm talking about.
Jerkbait on the paws, bro.
First cast.
Yeah, first cast. Hopefully that doesn't jinx us.
No, that definitely won't jinx us. I'm not about that life. We're all about big guys.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Look at that, man. That's awesome with this jerkbait.
Yeah, white jerkbait.
Little guy, but they're gonna get bigger.
A lot, trust me.
A lot
And
bigger.
If we catch 40 of them little guys,
No,
it's a blessed day.
Hell yeah. I'm already happy.
Me too. Let's go.
So happy. That was awesome.
We're out here every Friday, got the first cast.
Going for the release.
You know, I don't really like to talk about it, but you know, I used to fish the spot a lot. Yeah, this is one of the spots that if I had time to walk to, it was a walk. Man. Yo, man. That was a huge, that was like a 20 pounder. I love when kids say shit like that.
Oh yeah. Well, not even kids, dude. Adults do that shit too.
That was
Yeah.
like, was that a 10?
You're like holding the fish this big. What is that, 10 pounds? Oh! Dude! I didn't even move it. I cast it there.
And he hit it.
And I just was like, ooh! Beautiful, dude.
Beautiful. Another largemouth. Small but guys there. Smoking. Geos. Jerk man. Look at that.
Woo!
Took a ride, guys. It's out here.
Dude, he hit it. I didn't even move it. Just hit the water.
Thump.
They hungry.
The Indian bite might be good. We'll stay here for about another 20.
Woo.
Life is good.
Yes, sir.
Go. Right.
This guy got all 3 of the hooks in him. All right, buddy. Thank you.
Carl. When I made that little thing. That rip life, man. I'm telling you.
Nice fish, bro.
You hit that thing good, bro. See, that's why I like to have that 8-3, man. Get them in here real quick.
Oh, this is on the trap?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Here we are with the trap master,
Go, guy.
Jeff Clockwork Bass.
Let's go, guys. Hopefully we get a little trap bite on in the evening a little bit. Yeah, that's a good sign for sure. He hit way over there on that thing.
Yeah, you got him all the way out there, dude. I can't even cast that far.
Look how beautiful he is, dude. Catch and release as always.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes. And here's the ball, guys. Let's set the hook on the grass. I don't care if it's grass.
Yeah. You never know, man. You feel anything different, you just set that hook.
Yeah, well, 90% of the time, I know, because it's like bait or
Well, yeah, you could feel it, but when you're beginning,
this rod,
you just got to
bro,
set that hook.
Carbon fiber, right?
Yeah. Is that the one I lifted up?
Yeah. Carbon fiber hand. When I say you can feel truthfully everything, he didn't smoke it. He wanted to, he smoked it, but he smoked it because I told him because he thumped it twice. Dun-dum! And I just reeled in that slack and pulled back on it.
Nice.
You know, that's all you really need to do, bro.
You felt them give that lure a little tongue action?
You know, you're gonna hit it. You're gonna hit it twice. Okay.
That's awesome, dude.
I'm not gonna lie. When I set the hook, it felt bigger than it was. But then I set the hook and he went sideways.
There we go.
Nice.
It's a nice fish. Woo! Dude, this jerkbait, man.
Go.
I'm George. You could just call me a jerk. Woo! Awesome, man.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at him over there, guy. Hold on. Look at him over there. That's what, your third, fourth? Fourth, I think.
Don't even know at this point. No, I'm just kidding. It is.
He's losing count, guys. This is good. We've got some fish today. Small
Yeah.
guys, but we still
Nice.
got some time. Hopefully we can get some bigger fish. We're about to move zones. Looking for a different section.
This is what happens when you hang out with Clockwork Bass.
Let's go, guys. They're small, but we're going to get into something. I promise you guys. Stay tuned. Let's go. God bless. That's how I think, man. And hey, when we're grinders now, if we don't get to 2-3, we're going to be talking about all the small fish we caught today. That's how that goes, brother.
Hey man, it's way better than.
Or I ran into a carp. That's why out of all the traps that I throw, KVD is my main. I love it for the price and everything. He is the #1 power fisherman in the world.
Oh no, yeah.
He designed that for a reason. It flutters, it rips your grass real good, but sometimes, you know, it's good to throw something different.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, a different style. But sometimes they're picky, they don't want to hit that. You throw on something totally different, they'll smack it. Bomb.
Yeah. That's why I was hoping like this jerkbait. I mean, I was like, man, maybe many people don't throw one of these. There's one.
Oh, I saw him too. Dude, I witnessed that.
Yeah. Slow motion. That was pretty great. So they're definitely hitting it on the paws.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're getting bigger. That was right on this like little ledge, right off the ledge there. Here we are. I don't even know the name of this jerkbait, unfortunately, but it's doing really well so far. So far, both fish came on the paws. Yeah!
Smoked it.
That was great. Oh!
Catch and release, guys.
Nice. Hell yeah.
He smoked. Ooh.
Great catch, brother.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Pretty fish, too.
They're beautiful in here, too. Wait till we catch a couple bigger. Man, that wind is picking up.
Yeah, I thought that was a boat, bro.
I was like, look at that back there. Where did that come from?
Yeah. Oh, yes, dude. Oh, dude, that was a tank, brother.
Oh my God. Oh Lord. Why do you do that to me so much? All I wanted to do was just touch you.
You got one? Oh, there you go, bro. Look at that. Oh yeah, dude. Nice fish. Ooh.
I need to touch you because I lost your mom. So we're gonna just keep you up here. Oh no, we're doing the bass jungle. Stay. Look. That's how we do it.
There we go. Trap master himself.
Man, guys out here, I lost a big one, but it is what it is. We're catching these today. Still, it is what it is. Man, it's. When I say I lost a 4+, I'm telling you, I lost a 4+. Catch and release is always, let's go, God's blow.
Jerk, jerk, pause. Jerk, jerk, pause. Jerk, jerk, pause. Jerk, jerk, pause. Jerk, jerk, fish. Are you serious? That's awesome, dude. This ledge is so deep right here. It's great. It's great. I love it. Especially like, I don't know how long, you know what I mean? Like they'll probably follow for a little bit, but you don't really see that. I really want one of those wolf cams. Here we are. Beautiful largemouth. They're not huge, but a lot of fun, man. A lot of fun. How many days have we gone out and not caught fish? Let's go.
Bro, if I didn't snag this fish, people, I tell you now, if this is a bass, this is a giant.
This redemption, huh?
I don't know what the hell this is. Oh my God, guys.
It is a bass, bro.
Oh my God.
It is a bass.
Oh my God. This thing's big. That's what I'm talking about. It's not, it was bigger. This is, guys, this is probably a 3 right here.
Oh, dude.
That was a 3.
Let's go.
What I say about that choke line. Guys, this is a solid 3, y'all. But I lose cashing, trap in the mouth. Geo's next. I'm gonna get him on this trap bite, I'm telling you. But guys, now see the line? Cut that off. Always cut that off. It happens, guys, on that copolymer sometimes when you're fishing grass. You just cut it off. That's why I spool up probably every other week. But I got my blood pumping. Let's go. God is good. Happy Friday, y'all. Let's go. Look at you.
That's about the same size as throwing that rat at the other spot.
Solid 3. Look what he's throwing.
Oh,
I got bigger than that too.
I know. That's what he does. Get a little.
I just started messing with them, man.
I know a lot of people do that, guys. And I gotta get a little something for the old Instagram.
It's not like a bad bait. It's only like $60.
Yeah. No, that's awesome.
If I lose that, I'm going swimming for it. Guys, lost a giant, but here we go. Nice 3. Geo.
You can go ahead.
I'm gonna release it from.
Yeah, you can just go ahead. I'll go with you. They're loaded over there, huh? It looks like a good spot, dude.
South blade jackhammer. You know, first little spot we moved. About to get out of here. Have a good day, guys. Let's go.
I don't have the jerk bait in my hand, but.
I wanna hook up right now.
All right, guys. Amazing, fun day out here today. Clockwork bass.
Awesome day, guys.
Yeah,
awesome day. Epic.
He missed that big one, but
Let's not talk about it, but we're gonna talk about it. I missed it.
we're gonna talk about it. We got.
What are you gonna do? Honestly, what are you gonna do?
But he had redemption with that other pig, man.
Yeah,
that was great.
That was a good 3.
Hell yeah, that was.
I didn't
awesome,
weigh
man.
it, guys, but I'm telling you now, it was an easy, solid 3. The one I lost was probably a solid 4, and I'm probably underestimated it. Depressed me a little bit, as you saw. I don't know what it looked like, but
yeah, dude, that was awesome.
yeah, I don't know what you got on the video, but we'll see.
Yeah,
it was rough.
Awesome. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. Oh heck yeah! You know that's just what happens. I lost. There's one.
Yeah, look at that, guys, right here. We knew it was coming.
I lost that fish on some rock bottom. Bro.
Clockwork bass, Jeff over here, killing the game. That's gonna do it for us.
I mean, that's a good outro though. A little dink. We've been catching so many of these today.
It's been fun, man.
And that one's warm too, kind of. It feels a little warm.
We got a lot of fish off of film, so that's how fun it's been today. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe so we see you again next Friday, 10 a.m.